Hi, Chef Claire here today, and we're going to make whole wheat fettuccine using the Emeril Pasta Beyond pasta maker. So, pretty cool. Now, what I really love about it is we have the handy dandy drawer, which we have the tool for cleaning the disc, as also used as a cutter. And we have 8 different discs, but today we're going to use the fettuccine disc. So, let me pull that out. Let me put it right on. It goes right on here. And then I'm going to secure it. It's just that easy. We're going to remove the lid, which again I think is pretty easy. So we're going to use our trusty 1 batch measuring cup, but now we're going to make a double batch, which will make 1 pound. If we just use 1, then it would be half a pound. Okay, but now we're going to make 2. So I'm going to use whole wheat flour. And we want it to be a level whole wheat or flour. Any flour is going to be, always level it. Just like that. So simple. So we're going to do 1 for whole wheat. And next we're going to spoon in some just regular all-purpose flour. And again, we are going to level it off. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, and again, salt is for flavor. So that's all the dry ingredients that we need. So now we're going to secure the lid. It's just so simple. We're going to mix up 2 eggs, and it's large eggs. We recommend large eggs when making the pasta. And the reason that we mix the eggs is because what happens is it doesn't get hung up in the feeder. So it's important to beat your eggs before putting them into the liquid measuring cup. Okay, so here we have our measuring cup, and you have 1 batch, 2 batches. So we are going to do 2 batches. So first we start by adding the eggs. Then we add a tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is to make the pasta a little pliable, and also olive oil is great for flavor. So there we go. And now we're going to fill the rest with water up to the double batch line, which are the 2, again, the 2 pitchers right there. We're going to give it another mix to incorporate it all so it goes into the feeder nice and smooth. There we go. Now, on the machine, we have 1 and 2 batches. So we're going to hit the on button. We're going to hit the 2 batch button, which is pressing it twice. Then it starts, and now we're going to add the liquid. And I like to go in a back and forth. Kind of slows it, and it also feeds it in both sides. Okay. And now we just wait for it to mix. So it stopped, and now it's going to extrude once it starts back up. There you go. And now all we have to do at this point is just make the cuts. Beautiful fettuccine. Look at that. So fettuccine is great for fettuccine alfredo, and by having the whole wheat, it's a little healthier for you, right? So we love that too. We can make gluten-free pastas here too. It's just so much fun to find out what we can do with this great Emeril Lagasse Pasta Beyond machine. 19 minutes mixing to extruding. 19 minutes and you have homemade pasta. So now you just wait and you cut it to the length that you'd like.
For more information, tips, tricks, and delicious recipes, please watch our videos at EmerilPastaBeyondInfo.com.